everyone, welcome to Allied Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni Sinha, currently student with Allied Expertise. Allied Expertise is an online training platform which trains all the overseas pharmacists for the CAPS exam. Today we have with us Masuma. Hi Masuma, welcome to Allied Expertise and congratulations on clearing your CAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you so much. I feel great. I still can't, it's been a week almost, but still can't process that I have finally passed my CAPS exam in first attempt. Yeah.
Please introduce yourself. Where are you from? What have you studied?
Yeah, my name is Masuma, and I have done my Bachelor's of Pharmacy in 2017 from Mumbai University, Mumbai, India. And currently, after my marriage back in 2019, I moved to Australia. I live currently in Sydney, and from past 2 years, I've been working as pharmacy assistant and dispensary technician in one of the pharmacies in Sydney.
So why did you choose CAPS?
CAPS, that was on my mind for a long time. Like after I completed my bachelor's, I worked as a pharmacist for 1 year in India. And then I moved here in 2019. And since then, it was like, I knew like I have to do this because it's obvious if you spend like 4 years studying for a profession, you just don't want to leave that thing. So for me, it was very clear. Even when I moved here, I was like, no, I have to study and I have to get this done. And there's fun fact, like I started studying back in 2020 for CAPS. But I couldn't get my initial assessment done, the eligibility check, and because of some name issue. And then COVID happened, and so the universities were shut down. I couldn't arrange for the documents. And since then, I finally got it like 6 months back. I got the eligibility check done, and then I got to know about the Allied Expertise, and the journey started from there.
So why did you choose Allied Expertise?
One of my friend who cleared from Allied Expertise back in July, we used to work in the same pharmacy as dispense tech. So she cleared her CAPS, and then she recommended me, like, Masuma, if you're thinking for CAPS, this is the institute you should be looking. You shouldn't be thinking twice before selecting Allied Expertise. I had been with another institute back in 2020. So I knew like what was their pattern of teaching. And when I saw my friend like telling about the Allied Expertise and showing their materials and stuff, so I knew I had paid the same amount of fees for that institute and same amount I paid for this Allied Expertise institute, but teaching wise, material wise, mocks, and it's totally different. So I didn't have to think twice when my friend said that, no, if you are choosing, like if you are giving CAPS, you have to choose Allied. And it's just like, I went with her words and I see the results now.
So what did you like about Allied Expertise?
I think all of the students have mentioned their way of teaching is very different from all the institutes. It's very easy, crisp and clear. Like they make you understand, sir and ma'am, they try to make the concepts as easy as possible. I have watched all the lectures only once. When I joined Allied Expertise in November, I was currently 3 months pregnant. I didn't study at all. I used to just lie on the bed, look at the videos, that's it. And then because I think it was only last 1 month I took off from work. It was my 5th month going on. It was so hard, but I think the mocks, the handouts and the videos, that's the basic what they provide, and that's more than enough to clear the CAPS. The concepts of ma'am and sir are very easy. You don't even have to, open the mocks and go through the handouts. Just listen to the videos, do the mocks, and you are prepared for the exam, I feel. And the revision lectures, the 1 week revision lectures which ma'am and sir took, I think till the last date, Harika ma'am, like I remember for the whole day we were with her and half of the day with sir. The last day was like the most important one, and I could see most of the questions coming from that lecture.
So what are the teaching strategies that you liked about Allied Expertise?
The concepts, definitely they make very clear, but the other thing that I liked is whatever ma'am and sir are practicing into their day-to-day life along with the patients, they put those experiences, they mention those experience and those patient details during their lectures and teaching. So I think that's the most important and one of the main thing that separates Allied Expertise from other coaching institute, because they keep inculcating the current practices going on in the Australia and their experiences. There are so many cases where you will forget the drug, but if you remember the case, definitely you will be able to answer those questions. For me, I think paper 2, I was the one that gave exam on the 3rd day. So for us, I think most of the students who gave exam on the 3rd day, paper 1 was very, very tricky. For me, paper 2 was comparatively very easy, but paper 1, like it was vice versa. Like people normally get paper 1 very easy, but for us, I think paper 1 was very difficult. I didn't even expect that I would clear paper 1, but when I saw the results, like I was already on cloud 9 when I saw both the papers I have cleared in first attempt.
So what are the top 3 points that you think have really helped you in clearing your CAPS exam?
I think the materials, because they are very point to point, no extra things. Whatever is required for CAPS, that's it. So you don't have to study anything extra. You just study what is given by ma'am and sir.
Okay. And do you have any suggestions for our future aspirants?
I would just suggest I think whatever ma'am and sir has told, that's it. You just watch the videos, do mocks and go through handouts. Even if you don't have time for watch, I think then you should be watching all the videos thrice if you have time. But for me, literally, it was so, I couldn't watch because I was not in the state. Half of the time I was sick. It's just, I think all the lectures I watched only once, but they are so crisp and clear that you won't be, you don't have to watch twice, I would say.
Okay, thank you so much, Masuma, and all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much.